Browning's Gripnotch V-belts offer a rugged and unique design that enhances performance and provides increased horsepower capacity in shorter center drives. These belts are clean, quiet, and efficient, helping users to keep their equipment repair and downtime to a minimum. They are ground form and reduce vibration, increasing the life of both the belt and connected bearings. Gripnotch V-belts are constructed with fabric tops and bottoms. This increases rigidity and stability. The fabric also reduces stress on the cord line and increases belt life. Finally, the notch spacing on Gripnotch devices are wider than the average drive belt. This additional spacing also increases rigidity and stability while reducing stress on the cord line, both resulting in a longer belt life. With all these factors in mind, it's no wonder that Browning has become universally known for their full supply of sturdy V-belts. For more information on Browning's Gripnotch V-belts and other Browning solutions, visit us at motorsandcontrol.com.